Breaking news from the small town of Molsheim, France. This week at Pebble Beach, Bugatti will be revealing an EB110 successor. This comes after several months of speculation, rumors, and honestly a lot of hope. In mid-June, a report surfaced that Bugatti was preparing to showcase a new car during Monterey Car Week. The report also noted that Bugatti had already sold a few of these mystery vehicles. At the time, we were left wondering what Bugatti was planning, and it's not like Bugatti hadn't used Pebble Beach for reveals before. Last year, the automaker unveiled the Divo there. Pictures on the screen. A month later, the Gerardo & Co. Instagram page, which specializes in selling some of the most expensive collector vehicles in the world, dropped another dollop of information. The post alleged Bugatti would reveal a new car inspired by the original EB110 SS, and only 10 would be built, and it would have a price tag of 8 million euros, which is roughly 8.9 million US dollars. The original EB110 SS was a more powerful 604 horsepower version of the already potent EB110, which had 551 horsepower. The SS was also lighter due to the use of some carbon Kevlar body panels instead of the standard aluminum components. If Bugatti really intends on reviving this idea, then we would expect the limited run model to use the Chiron's platform as a starting point. From there, the company might turn up the boost on the quad-turbo engine to increase the output. While the Chiron Sport already makes extensive use of carbon fiber, there's always opportunities for more carbon. If all of this sounds interesting, Bugatti will livestream the unveiling Friday, August 16th at 11:20 a.m. PDT and 8:20 p.m. CEST during the Quail, a motorsports gathering at Pebble Beach. Obviously, I'm pretty excited with all of this, so I'll be tuning in. What are your thoughts on this? Do you think this is a good idea? Do you think there's anything more powerful than the Chiron? Do you think that reviving this EB110 SS nameplate is a good idea? Let me know in the comments below, and if this is a style of video that you like, hit that subscribe button. Thanks guys.